Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to buy Ethereum in Trust Wallet. How you can buy in Trust Wallet. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you must have BNB in your smart chain and other currency with whom you want to purchase the Ethereum. So once you have any currency in your Trust Wallet, click on the tabs and from here you have to search for the pancakeswap.finance. Make sure you are using the right link. Once you will do it, after that you have to click right here, and right here you have to select the currency. Like if you have BNB, you can simply select here like Ethereum, and you will see Ethereum token is here. Simply tap on it and you can enter the amount in which amount you want to purchase Ethereum. Once you will do it, simply click on this button from there, and your currency will change to Ethereum, and you are now simply buy Ethereum in your Trust Wallet. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.